And this payload brings scanning capability. We can continuously measure while moving in a line with the wheel. This allows us to do tens of thousands of measurements per hour, which will give you way more insight about your asset, about the conditions. My name is Håvard, and I'm a robotics engineer here at Voliro. And for the last months, I've been working on bringing scanning capability to the Voliro T platform. What we want to achieve with the scanning capability is to elevate our NDT workflow at height by enabling scanning workflows and not just point measurements. We see scanning as the next logical step for the Voliro platform. We've been doing point measurements so far, but scanning for almost all of our use cases will make them much more efficient, give much more valuable insight. We can think of UT scanning, arrays, phased array, and similar technologies, bring that on board with the same rolling or sliding capability as we're showing now. For the pack, this will also be very valuable to more efficiently map corrosion under installation, and also other sensors that we want to bring in the futures. So this is something we are excited to bring as a general capabilities for many different payloads. So where it gets really interesting is when we start looking at the data that we can collect with the scanning capability and the rolling EMAP payload. So I want to show you a demonstration we did on a plate here at our office. And this plate is 10mm thick steel. And on the left side of it, we machined out a 2mm deep defect so that this part of the plate is only 8mm thick. And let's see how it looks when we roll the wheel on this plate. So what you can see here is that we can move in a straight line, but we can also turn the payload in certain situations. And this allows us to explore the plate and see what thickness we can find along it. And with the wheel encoders, we can also get accurate information together with the position sensing of the drone itself. We can also look at the B-scan to get a greater insight into how the full envelope looks like. That can be quite valuable when you have that here. In addition, we can have a look at the grid sampling that we performed, where you can more clearly see where in space the defect was. This payload is a part of the Voliro Lab, which means that it's a more exploratory product of ours, and that's why we have done some initial work now just to be able to demonstrate the feasibility of scanning with Voliro T, which has been very successful. And we will now work on bringing it to the next step, where we can reliably show it to asset owners and other people that are interested in this product, the Voliro. And stay tuned for more Voliro Lab content, because a lot of exciting stuff is coming out.